Bunty and Bubbly
by Sori Gupta.
by Sori Gupta.
Bunty loves to play with butterflies.
Bunty loves to play with butterflies
And with birds.
and with birds.
She loves to play with paper boats.
She loves to play with paper boats.
She also likes to make sand castles.
She also likes to make sand castles.
When Bunty goes back home,
When Bunty goes back home,
her mother asks her to clean up.
her mother asks her to clean up,
But she refuses.
but she refuses.
I hate soaps,
I hate soaps,
she screams.
she screams.
One night, she has a dream.
One night she has a dream.
The germs are all around her castle
The germs are all around her castle
and are attacking her.
and are attacking her.
Bunty is chased by the germs.
Bunty is chased by the germs.
She runs for her life and screams.
She runs for her life and screams,
Help! Help!
"Help! Help!"
Suddenly, Soap King Bubbly appears.
Suddenly, Soap King Bubbly appears.
Bunty, don't be afraid, he says.
Bunty, don't be afraid, he says.
Go attack the germs.
Go attack the germs.
Soap King orders his army of bubbles.
The Soap King orders his army of bubbles.
The army of bubbles
The army of bubbles
chases the germs away.
chases the germs away.
These days, Bunty likes to use soap.
These days, Bunty likes to use soap,
And she brushes and scrubs herself clean.
and she brushes and scrubs herself clean.